Alton Towers. We're going to get the monorail, but the queue's massive, so we're going to see where this path goes. I think it's a new one they put in for the Rollercoaster Restaurant, so it should get somewhere down in the front. It's going in the right direction.
Yeah.
You reckon? Find out. Oh yeah, it looks all like, oh, see there's a sign there. Yeah, we're going to come do the crazy golf one as well, mini golf,
Yeah.
extraordinary golf.
We'll do the whole kind of, because it's split into two sections, isn't it?
Yeah, we did one before, I can't remember which one we did. I've got a feeling it was this side.
Yeah, I think it was.
But there's two, and there's 18 holes altogether, two lots of 9. Yeah. It's good. Look, the sign, I bet these light up at night time.
Yeah, this is the way you get to the Rollercoaster Restaurant and the park shop.
Follow the yellow brick road. And that's where you're going. Oh, I see, because that's Galactica, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's right next door to that. Cool. So we're walking over to 13 first, because there shouldn't be a lot of a queue. Lunch is booked at 1 o'clock. Yes, nice day. So we've got a quick detour to go on Rita because there is no queue. We've not been on it in ages, have we? Not been on Rita for ages. I'm sure this one time we came before. They've done the wooden bit. I don't think they had the signs up.
I'm not sure.
Right, now sky riding to the Rollercoaster Restaurant. We're going to see what we can see of the Flume. Excited?
Yeah.
Rollercoaster Restaurant. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is cool. And then it's going to swizz down all these. And there's the loops. Yeah.
You oblivion.
Who are doing
I'm
it?
Smiler.
Daddy,
It's corkscrew.
Daddy,
Do you know all at one time? All on one table.
You're 11. You're 11. You're number 11.
Yeah, she said because
spread out over the 2 tables.
Just order our starters and then we'll do that, wait for that, and then order the main.
Drink. Get drinks. Get.
Hang on, I might as well get you in it.
You having a beer? Oh,
Yeah.
what have they got? Oh look.
Have start.
Maybe if we don't get that in.
What are you having?
And then that's what I mean. Am I ordering it all on table 11? Or do my order then yours?
All separate. So are we, what are we doing?
Well, I'm getting a popcorn bowl. We'll share it anyways.
Add items to order. Oh yeah, just order it all as
Yeah.
11, yeah.
Yeah.
I want a coffee.
You can have gin and tonic. Wait a minute. Let's get Mama's coffee as well.
What kind of coffee do you want? Latte or Americano?
I'll have a latte, please. Latte.
£4 thing.
How much? It wasn't, it was £2.
Was it?
Now we do 2.
Any more
Are
nibbles?
we getting any more?
I've got a popcorn bowl.
Get that as well.
Put a cracker.
And we'll share it. We'll just share it.
Shall we do that and then we'll do mains afterwards?
Yeah. So what we got?
£2.95 for coffee.
No.
Yeah? Let's go in. Let's go in.
That's it. Just order them under your table 11. It don't matter, does it?
No, if you're sat together, that's what I mean. It makes it so you've got one each. This is mad. Look, it's going to come down there. The loops have got plastic covers on. Number 11, it's one of ours. To unclip it.
Popcorn bowl.
How'd you get it off?
Unclip it.
That's
Do you leave that on
That's
there?
popcorn
Yeah.
bowl. Popcorn bowl.
Because that carries on around, look, and then it falls in the end.
Oh, okay. Maybe not.
Into the bucket. Popcorn.
Well, it'll go down there.
Yeah. My little beer hat. Yeah, this one, please.
What, did you want that?
We got stuff. We got stuff. Oh. Dunno. Dunno. Let's go in. I want to get on the lead.
Daddy, get the plate.
Get on the plate. Oh, can't zoom in. Rollercoaster plates. What do you think?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Food was good, lots of food.
These kids sharing pots are wicked.
Kids sharing chocolate and fruit
Yeah,
pots.
this tub full of chocolate. Me and our hands had one and shared it, and it was good. All different menus get so fast coming, the food coming down. I've only been here half an hour. I've had some starters, some mains, put in a couple of drinks. It's good stuff. It's not bad price wise. It's about the same as the Hunter's Barn place, isn't it? Woodman's thing.
And we get 20% off.
20% off.